Hey everyone, welcome to the Data Desk. I'm Shelly and this is our very first video in our DataLemur SQL series. So today's question is histogram of tweets. This is a very classic problem that tests your grouping and aggregation skills. So let's solve it step by step. So first let me summarize you a question. So we are given a table of tweets with the details like tweet ID, user ID, message and tweet date. This is a type of all the variables, and the task is to build a histogram of tweets per user of the year 2022. That means first count how many tweet each user posted in 2022, then count how many users fall into each tweet count bucket. So this is our table example. So tweet ID, user ID, message, and tweet date. We are going to use user ID and tweet date. So our results should be look like this: tweet bucket column and user num. So let me explain what is this result is explaining to us. So based on the example output, there are two users who posted only one tweet in 2022. Okay, so two user post only one tweet in 2022. Two users posted one tweet in 2022 and one user posted two tweets in 2022. So one user posted two tweets in 2022. Okay, so first we will solve this part and after that we will solve this part. So this will be our subquery and this will be our main query. So I'm going to start writing for the first one. Select user ID, count star. If we want to count each row, for that we use a star in our aggregation functions. And we are giving alias because we want column name as tweet bucket. Okay, now from which table? From tweets. And what will be our condition so that we can filter our data? We will filter our data with the year, with the tweet date. So we only need year, and in PostgreSQL we can't use year function, so we are going to use extract function. Using extract function we are going to extract year from the date. So let me show you the syntax here. Year from tweet date. Okay, and what it should be? It should be 2022. Okay, as we are using an aggregation function, so we have to group by with the user ID. Group, sorry, group by user ID. So let me show you the first result once so that we can understand better. It's taking a bit long time. Okay, so here we get the result. We have one user tweet two times in 2022. We have two users tweet once in 2022. So now we have to group this part, tweet bucket. That will be our user num. So for that, now we are going to write our main query, and we are going to use this as data. For that, we need tweet bucket, tweet bucket, bucket, and again we will count our each row as username. Okay, from what? From from this data. Okay, now we are going to alias to our subquery user tweet count. Now we will group by tweet bucket because we are aggregating this. And after that, as we can see here, we have an order in ascending order. So we are going to use order by for the tweet bucket. Okay, so this is all. Let me run it. So we are getting the same exact result. Now let me explain you first the overall our queries so that you can understand how it will going to execute. So first our system will run this query. This will be our subquery. So this will be stored in a cache memory, and then after that our main query will get executed, and on the basis of the subquery our data going to filter. So this is all, and let's wrap up our first video. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more SQL walkthroughs, and comment if you want more advanced scenarios. See you in the next one. Bye.